Hi, I'm Chef Rami Rosas, and what we're going to do today is make a simple, healthy, and delicious dish in just under 10 minutes, a veggie medley in a coconut and lemon jus. I'm going to go over the ingredients right now for our veggie medley in coconut and lemon jus. We have some russet potatoes here, white onions, red onions, mushrooms, squash, zucchini, garlic, carrots, green peppers, celery, assorted sweet peppers, grape tomatoes, spinach, chives, coconut water, veggie stock, and then lemon. So come over here to the stove and we'll show you exactly how it gets done in just 10 minutes. I don't want the potatoes to be too hard. I don't want the zucchini to be too hard, the squash. So once I'm happy with that texture, then I'll add the coconut water and then just let it simmer for a little bit. And now I'm gonna keep sauteing it a little bit more, move them around. I use a little bowl like this, and I press all the veggies in there, pack them tight, dress it up with some chives, some green onions, the one piece of veggie that's uncooked on the dish of cooked veggies. So there you go, you have your veggie medley in a coconut and lemon jus.